A means no and trophy means nourishment. So word atrophy means decline in the strength or to waste away. Well, here we can say that atrophy is the decrease in the size of cells, and this decrease occurs by the loss of cell substances. When a sufficient number of cells are involved, the entire tissue or organ diminishes in the size, becoming atrophic. Listen carefully, I am not saying dead. Although cells may have diminished function, they are not dead. Causes of atrophy include a decreased workload, for example, immobilization of a limb to permit healing of a fracture, loss of innervation, diminished blood supply, inadequate nutrition, loss of endocrine stimulation, and aging. You can see some stimuli are physiological and some are pathological. Whatever the types are, the fundamental cellular changes are identical. They represent a retreat by the cell to smaller size at which survival is still possible. A new equilibrium is achieved between cell size and diminished blood supply, nutrition, or trophic stimulation. The mechanism of atrophy consists of combination of decreased protein synthesis and increased protein degradation in the cell. Protein synthesis decreases because of reduced metabolic activity. The degradation of cellular proteins occurs mainly by the ubiquitin proteasome pathway. Nutrient deficiency and disuse may activate ubiquitin ligases, which attach multiple copies of the small peptide ubiquitin to cellular proteins and target them for the degradation in proteasome. This pathway is also thought to be responsible for the accelerated proteolysis seen in a variety of catabolic conditions, including the cachexia associated with cancer. In many situations, atrophy is also accompanied by increased autophagy, with resulting increase in the number of autophagic vacuoles. Autophagy, self-eating, is a process in which the starved cell eats its own components in an attempt to survive. We will study it later in another lecture. For now, let's move to metaplasia.